At CompEx, our purpose is to support and promote workplace safety through qualifications and competency certification for industries, organisations and personnel that own, operate, service or work in hazardous environments. The internationally recognised scheme has been in operation since 1993, initially providing the UK oil and gas sector with competency validation, and has since expanded to support employers and workers in a broad range of industrial environments across the world, including maritime, chemical and petrochemical, pharmaceutical, food manufacturing, utilities, bioenergy, fuel forecourts, waste incineration and landfill. The scheme was established as a direct result of the Cullen inquiry that followed the Piper Alpha disaster in 1988, when an oil platform exploded and sank in the North Sea, and 167 of the crew tragically died. The safety recommendations that were made as part of the inquiry transformed the UK oil and gas industry into a global leader in safety. Our qualifications are based on international standards. We work closely with industry to ensure that we reflect best practice and meet the needs of both employers and workers to promote safety in hazardous areas. Training and assessment is provided through an international network of independent training providers. Our training partners deliver a range of instruction and expert guidance, from general awareness courses to highly specialised engineering design and management programmes. Our training providers work with companies to define their training and competency management requirements. Around the world, almost 5,000 organisations currently utilise the scheme for 27,000 engineers, electrical and mechanical technicians that operate in hazardous areas. CompEx certification is used by asset owners, contractors, service providers and manufacturers around the world for credible, externally validated assurance that workers can complete tasks safely, efficiently and in accordance with international standards, local codes and regulations. Our qualifications are continuously reviewed and updated through our discussions and feedback from our stakeholders. We strive to ensure that new technologies, energy sources and work practices are reflected in what we do. Well-trained and experienced staff with industry-recognised competency certification, like CompEx, mean that organisations can ensure consistency of standards across all global operations, check that suppliers and contractors have the requisite skills to complete a project safely, demonstrate compliance to regulators and other stakeholders, enable career progression of their workforce, mitigate and control risks both for employee health and safety as well as operational and commercial performance. CompEx supports learners to develop specialist knowledge and skills, building on their existing occupational qualifications and experience.